Hello, how are you? It's Unit, and you are watching Tech Plus WordPress Knowledge, which is the channel you can get everything about WordPress and the tech related things. So in today's video, I just come through from my client requirement that he wants extra things in the WooCommerce website, like the tabs format, in the product. For example, I have one more client which I have made for him. There is some coding is required, but don't worry, I will provide all the code in the description down below. So let's start. So this is the product, fine, and here is the tabs we are talking about. See, WooCommerce always provides us with 3 tabs. One is description, second is review, and third is other information, in which we involve some type of colors, sizes and styles वगैरह. But in this one, see, dosage, storage, ingredients, fill, these types of information are not included in with us in the WooCommerce. So this client of mine wants some type of these types, which he wants some more description and more information for the clients. So let's start our journey with how we can make this type of tabs. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will go to dashboard of this page and we will install a plugin SCF. There's 2 type of plugins. I have installed already SCF, and there's another plugin which works the same. You can make these tabs from both of them. I will type ACF. See, this is one tab which is ACF, Advanced Custom Field. There is another tab SCF, means Secure Custom Fields. Fine. This one has 2+ million active installation and this one has 90, but both will work fine. There is no something like this will work less or this will work high. Both are the same. So let's go with the SCF. So here I come here. Okay. So then I will make another field of group and I will say add new group, and I will give him a name of extra tabs. Fine. Okay, so there is a thing you had to know about. One is we will make 2 tabs. Like if we see here, there is one is heading, which is mean dosage, and there is another which have a content. So what we will say here? So what we will see is here there is a text field one. Say okay. So there is a code. So here is the PHP code which I will provide you in the description down below. So what will we type here? We will type here a text title 1. Title 1. Okay, this field, this mostly brings the like a slug type thing. Okay, but what we will pick is this custom tab title, copy and paste here. But there is one thing, custom tab title _1, as this is one title. Okay, the post type is equal to, and we will select the product. So this will show in every single product we will add in this website. So one is done. Okay, the main second thing is add field. Okay, in this field we will add this editor WYS. In the PHP I will provide the code. Here is everything written that this content will pick the data of that title, or that title will pick the data of this content, which is through all the PHP, and it will in the data. So what I will written here is, so here we will add tab 1 content. So this will be the first content. What we will type here, the same thing which is provided in the code. Custom tab content, copy. See, it is so easy. There is not such type of difficulty you will face in code. One. Here you go. Fine. So let's save this. Let's save changes. So this is the first. Let's go to products. We will have this. Okay, we will edit it. See, that's on. Yes, tab 1 content. For that I will say like nice bracelet. Yes, right. In the content I will provide with the right now X, Y and Z. Fine. Let's save it. But what we will do now is the main thing of adding a code. We will go to appearance, theme file editor. This theme file editor is mostly of the every theme. Means every theme have its own file. Like there is style sheet. We will need to go function.php file here. You can add this code in the snippet, but what will I suggest is the main thing is you need to take the backup of this site, because it's breakdown, so you guys will start commenting that what just happened and everything is all. Copy and V. Okay, here's code and update file. Okay, now we will go to the product. The same product we have added the field, and we will view it. Why? I think I have something wrong. Okay, so here you can see I have put the SF field, and we have also added one more field in the extra tabs. Like now we have one title, one contact, another title and another contact. Let's go to product, and in the product we have added the field. Like now there was one field as I have written nice bracelet and XYZ, and the another like something like nice jewelry. Don't focus on the spellings. Okay, and what I have df. Okay, and I will update it, which is the most important thing. Update. Fine. Okay, so now we will go to product and see how it looks, and definitely we will see. Yeah, there we go. XYZ DFDD. Okay, there is multiple things people say that we want this. If you are definitely have a lot of tabs, like 5 to 6, and so it will cover a lot of place here. So for that you had to do some CSS, which I have did in this. Simply go to the spec and take out some of the classes. I will definitely put the CSS too in the description form, which I have added here in customize. Let me show you in a quick way. Okay, Okay, additional CSS. Yep, this is additional CSS, and there you go. See, WooCommerce div product, WooCommerce tab UL tabs li. A means anchor tag, li is the listing, and the UL is the main thing. So I will see margin top, bottom, and padding. This is a little bit of CSS. Definitely I will give this CSS to you. As per this design, it looks okay for me because it's a big one and this was a small one. That's why I need this font to be small. So there it is everything. We will go to mobile. You have to here. So this was the thing which I was mentioning, that this was a CSS I will provide you. As you can see here, everything is settled down, and when you go to customize, and there you will see margin, bottom type, and font size is small, padding is given. So this will also work for the mobile version. If you are familiar with the media queries, definitely you can help. You can take help from media query. I will provide every single code to you, and that was all. Thank you, and please subscribe because I have just started my channel again now, and I want myself to be grow, and you will also learn more from me. Thank you.